So what are you doing?
Right now I'm editing the logo by erasing some nodes and giving it more of the shape that I'm looking for.
And what are the nodes?
So the nodes are going to be points that are, so if we go here, this little arrow, this square, those are nodes. They're just endpoints or points on an image or a design or a logo that allow you to modify the shape of it.
And what program are you using to do this then?
Right now I'm using CorelDRAW. It's basically
I couldn't say anything, so all that came out was
the equivalent to the would be Photoshop Illustrator.
Okay.
Let's see. So all those little white squares are nodes.
Oh wow.
So all of that I could pretty much adjust. But all those nodes are creating the design. So you see like this, I'm not really digging it, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna make these a little bit bigger, or a little longer actually.
That's sick.
Give this more of an angle. Drop this one and this one a little bit down. And then what I'm going to do now is, because these are objects that are by themselves, right? So this is basically what I have up there. I'm just going to select them. I'm going to group them by using Control G. And then I'm going to shift and click on the object behind it. And then I'm going to use trim, and what that'll do for us is cut those same lines onto the design. So let me erase this old one over there. And now we have that.
Huh?
Put the new TV in?
Mm-hmm. Here.
And just to make it look a little bit more aggressive, I'm trying to point out these little hairs
might have one.